The BBC has recently casted light on the case of a well-known tattooist Kim Do-yoon and condemned Korea's biased legal system related to tattoos. Kim is the most famous tattoo artist in Korea given that he has inked some of the Hollywood celebrities such as the actor Brad Pitt. He has recently been fined 5 million won because tattoos are illegal in Korea. Why are tattoos illegal in Korea? What is tattoo? Tattoo means the same as lettering on bodies, and it is the act of engraving a picture, pattern, and writing on the skin by piercing the skin with a needle and injuring it with ink or paint. A person who specializes in tattooing is called a tattooist or a tattoo artist. Tattoos have been practiced in various cultures around the world since the past, and once done, it is difficult to erase them. So, they have been done for important purposes such as a certificate to confirm their identity. Recently, however, more and more people have tattoos for any purpose. Perception of tattoos. The perception of tattoos has been generally negative since the past. Especially in the East Asian regions, tattoos were considered barbaric customs, and it was used as a stigma to engrave on people or slaves who committed crimes. Not only in Korea, but worldwide, many people do not like tattoos today because they are sometimes the symbols of criminal organizations. Recently, however, there has been a culture of enjoying tattoos as a kind of hobby, which has come from the Western region. It brought out many tattooists and more people who wish to put their meanings in their unforgettable tattoos. In particular, the negative perception of tattoos is also changing as more and more people use tattoos to cover scars from surgery and to memorize precious people. Reasons for illegalization. Tattoos are the act of scarring the skin and injecting ink. Therefore, if a person whose skills have not been verified performs the tasks, the person can be seriously hurt. According to Korean medical law, only doctors can perform tattooing for the sake of medical activities. Otherwise, it is illegal. Therefore, you must have a doctor's license to legally perform tattoos. The court maintains such an attitude that it should be categorized as a medical practice because there is a risk of side effects from tattooing and diseases such as infections and dermatitis can occur. Controversies over legalization. Unlike Korea, many people from the West regard tattoos as a kind of culture and art, rather than medical practice. In this perspective, tattooists are treated as artists. In response, Korean tattoo industry workers argue that tattooing should be legalized, saying that the medical law restricts their freedom of choice, freedom of art, and freedom of expression. Today, when the population who want tattoos has increased from the changing perceptions for tattoos, it urges to require social consensus before making decisions.